Hi, we are Claudia and Barbara, and we created Genna Tours. A tour is a tour operator in Sardinia. We specialize in private tours and customized experiences for you. These are the Domus de Janas, tombs of the Neolithical time. Follow me. These beautiful tombs, they have been excavated by the prehistoric people 4,000 years BC. Now, let's try to get inside. We are inside the Domus de Janas. Again, the Domus de Janas is a tomb. So, these places, when I'm walking, it is the place where David and being put his almonds. One said beside me, like cheese, and then one down, and the bean, the altar. Here, where they would cook and bring the offering like a vase, were inside and with food left for the that person who made the fasting. Are you wondering what that is? This is a connection between the children. And they made this connection once that community was growing a lot. And these soldiers became like a temple. You definitely need to see everything with your own eyes. So book immediately the Dome will be down below so that I can explain and show you everything around here.